Prevention talaga is very important. Self-breast exam. As a cancer survivor, number one, prevention talaga is very important. Self-breast exam, etc. Number two, malaking bagay yung kinakain natin. So, less processed food. I learned that after cancer. Kasi dati, yung life ko dati, laging canned food ang kinakain ko. But dapat maging prudent tayo sa kinakain natin. And of course, substances also. Pag babae ka, iiwas ka sa paraben. Kasi paraben is present in makeup.
Anong paraben?
Paraben ingredient. Present yan sa makeup, shampoo, anything. So dapat, reading labels,
Proven
is
na to?
proven na yun. So, when you see paraben dun sa ingredients, iiwas kayo. Because it's a proven carcinogen already.
Anong mga brands to? Sorry, we can't say it here. Pero
yes, I saw one foundation na may paraben. Iniwasan ko talaga yun. May conscious effort na maging extra careful ka sa kinakain mo, anything that you put inside your body. And of course, again, I will always go to prevention really. Health is really wealth.
tapos pag meron na sila nakapa, how can you encourage them to see a doctor? Kasi maraming takot.
You have to don't get scared to see a doctor like us kasi we'll guide you through. Madami na rin ako nakita na naagapan ng stage 0 and that's very good already. So, dapat may conscious effort talaga kasi do not wait for huwag tayo maghintay na magkasakit.
Ano yung stage 0?
Stage 0, yung pa-start pa lang, in situ. Cancer in situ. So, na-detect yun, self-breast exam, nagpa-mammography siya, stage 0 sa biopsy. Which is good. At least naagapan. Tanggal agad.